Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Fandango app on a device. Now if you want to download the Fandango app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install the Fandango app. Let's get started. So you may connect your Wi-Fi by scrolling from the very top right, and if you have already connected it, you may simply open App Store on an iPhone, and if you're using Android, you may simply open Play Store on a device. So this is the home page of App Store, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar. So click on the option of search. After clicking on the option of search, you may click on the search box and search Fandango. So after clicking on search option, here you will see the option of Fandango Get Movie Tickets. So to install the app, you may click on the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue. So after doing all of it, it asks you to verify yourself. So you just need to scan your Face ID or click on the option of install to install it on a device. That's it. That's how you can install the Fandango Get Movie Tickets app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.